Ammo can, stereo system on the Beach Cruiser, 2 5x7s, Ford factory 5x7s, barely squeezed in there, not room for much else. Just mounted them to a standard bike rack. Inside we got an amp, insulated with hard cast Dynamat, the same stuff. 2 10x10 sheets, 25 bucks. I got all that stuff for free. 12-volt battery. Right now I just put tape on it. Just got back from the beach, temporary. But I'll have that all mounted in there later. Just ran the wires underneath the rack. And then you got a bunch of options. You could just stick in a regular USB. It comes with a remote. You could also stick in a memory card. I just have the iPod mounted to regular auxiliary, which is on the back, on the bottom side. I have this Velcroed in. I'm not going to mess with it right now. You also got bass, treble, volume, all that good stuff. Like I said, with a remote. But I'll go ahead and test it out. Turn the power on. Set it up. That's not even all the way right now. As you can probably hear, you can barely hear me over it. On the Boardwalk at Work Pro. It's really loud right now. 2 5x7s. And that's it.